Welcome back to Rice Life Garage, guys, and today we're going to be doing some replacements, and we're not going anything fancy, and I'll show you why we're replacing them in a minute. But literally just got some OEM replacements right here, and I'll show you what for right now. So as you can see, we're inside the 240 now, and I'm going to turn the headlights on. Headlights are on, it's blinking, you can hear it. I can come out here. Nothing. So we go back over here and we turn our brights on. Now notice that the brights indicator doesn't come on, which is leading me to believe it's this switch here. But if we do come out here, 1, and that's a bright. So what happened was, initially the normal headlights was doing this, right? And then so I would turn the brights on and then that one would come on. But now with the brights on, that one doesn't come on at all. And this one doesn't come on normally. So it could be the bulbs are going bad and this bright is the only one that works left. Or my phone literally just ran out of memory mid-video. Or, like I was saying, it could be this switch in here because this light doesn't turn on. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and turn the brights off and the lights off. And we're gonna replace the bulbs because they probably do need replacing. And if that doesn't work, then we're gonna go ahead and replace that switch in there. But let's start with the bulbs. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the hood and get these covers off. So the hood doesn't technically need to be open for this, so I'm actually not gonna open it. But anyways, there is something else going on with my engine, which is probably gonna be a video here in the next week or so. But anyways, to take these covers off is just 2 Phillips on either side, and the black covers will come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Always make sure you keep your screws. I was already missing one, but as you can see, these little ones, they will go missing. And one was already missing, so it's probably somebody who did this before and it went missing. But I'm gonna put them in this dirty ass cup. So when you get both of the covers off, it's just 2 bolts, or not, well, 2 screws up there and 2 screws on the bottom, and this will come out. I already replaced that one, and I turned the light on. It didn't work, so I know now for sure that it's that switch or maybe something in this one, because this one went out first. So I'm thinking now it's that switch or something with this light is shorting it out, making them, because that one's still turned on. So I don't know, it might be like shorting on this side or something, but it's definitely either that switch or some problem with this one. But now they both still don't turn on, and that's a new one. So we're gonna have to see what happens here. So I went ahead and I replaced both of these, and only the left bright still works. So it's definitely gonna be that switch in there. It's like 50 bucks, but I could probably get it wholesale because I have a plug for that. So I'm gonna get that switch, and I'm gonna continue this video once that switch comes in about a week or so, however long it'll take. So that's gonna be it for today, and I'm gonna continue this video. In typical Rice Life Garage fashion, I lost the screwdriver when I was trying to put those back on. So I'm gonna scavenge through these parts here. I know it's not over there, but I gotta try to find the screwdriver now. Wow, inside my car with my keys.
1 eternity later.
Gang. So as you guys probably just saw, I tried to replace my headlights and that didn't work. That was actually like 2 weeks ago now when I recorded that. So that led me to believe that it's this switch here that is not letting my headlights work. And so let me take the steering wheel off real quick. So now we're gonna go ahead and try to replace this. And I've never done this before, I don't know how to do it, but I have this one here that I got from Rock Auto. I'm pretty sure it's refurbished because that plastic is a little yellow, but you know, it looks nice, it looks like it should work. It's for 91, so that's what I have. And yeah, so I actually lost the Allen screws for this, so I'm not going to be able to take the hub off, but I think I could probably just split this without taking the hub off and try to get it out somehow. So I'm going to try to figure it out, and then I'll let you guys know how I did it once I get it out. So I've probably been out here for a solid 5 minutes already. I just recorded that other part. What you do is there's 2 screws, one right here, 2 more on the bottom down here, so a total of 4. And then this can come apart, but not all the way out. And then there's 2 screws, one right there and one down there on the headlight switch, and it's loose. So now all I'm going to try to do is unplug it and try to take it out without breaking these off, because I don't want to take this whole thing off. So that'll probably bring it out once I unplug it, and then just reverse process the other side. I could probably set up a tripod putting it back in for you guys too. Alright guys, so that was pretty simple. It is literally, once you take it out, there's 2 plugs. There's one plugged into there and one back there. All you got to do is really just like pull this, and I pulled it out kind of this direction. And so now all I'm going to do is put those 2 screws back in, clamp that back together, put the 4 screws back on, and then I'm going to test it. But yeah, I mean, it should work. I have everything plugged back in now. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it back together and show you guys when I'm done. So guys, right now, I'm going to go ahead and say this was the easiest replacement I've ever done on a car. The only tool I used this whole time was a Phillips head screwdriver. There was 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips heads that came apart, 2 more right there, and then the switch came out. Like, that's it. You don't even got to take your steering wheel off, guys, if you have an NRG. I'm pretty sure you can take it off with the stock steering wheel on there too. You don't even got to do anything. And so as you guys can see now, when I turn my headlights on, I can go out here. I can shut this. Sorry guys, it's kind of hot, even though I haven't even really been doing any work. Both the headlights work now. Easy fix, guys, right there. As you guys can see, it was the headlight switch. So now that I replaced it, it works. Let's see if my brights work. Yep, the brights indicator came on, so that works now. Boom, guys. Really easy. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together, put my steering wheel back on, and I'll make the outro. Well guys, that is how you replace your headlight switch in your 1991 240sx or any S13 for that matter. Really simple. 4 screws, 4 Phillips head screws on the bottom of the I don't even know what this would be called, the steering rack column thing in your interior. 4 screws on the bottom of that, 2 screws holding it in, 2 screws holding the actual switch in, 2 plugs, and then reverse the process. And the only thing that actually is not working anymore is this little thing comes out now, and I don't know if I maybe broke the clip or something, but it's fine. You know, if I stick it there, it'll stay. But so that's gonna be the end of the video. After that whole struggle with the headlights and everything, it ended up just being this switch, a super easy fix. So if you guys like it, go ahead and subscribe for more, and hit the like button and stuff. I'll see you guys later.